Hey, it's Randy Dye from the Daytona Ram Truck Center. What am I doing with all these YETI coolers? I want to give one to you. If you buy a new truck from us from January 5th through January 31st, you'll get a new YETI cooler while supplies last. Get a brand new 2016 Ram Quad Cab for just $249 a month, or a brand new Ram ProMaster City, $17,499. We have over 400 new Rams in inventory for you to choose. Come see us and get your YETI cooler at the all-new Daytona Ram Truck Center, where we won't waste your time or money.